Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today is a redraw for the paper collection for the Santa Baby. Paper collection, I had an A and a B, so there were two winners, but one of the winners did not collect her winnings. So I'm doing a redraw, and I will link the video that you were supposed to leave a comment under up there if you want to check it out. But you had to leave a comment and you need to be a subscriber to my channel, and that's it. So I have pulled the URL into the random YouTube comment picker thingy. Oh wait, I've got to do, let's see. I gotta get the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna hit start, and then I will have to check to see if that person is a subscriber, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick another one, so I'm gonna hit start. Oh. You guys. I'm gonna pick another one. Jeez Louise. Listen, YouTube comment picker, I can't win. Okay. It's because I do the top pinned comment, and if I reply to comments, this is what happens. Okay. All right, awesome. Congratulations to Karen Stout 950. There is an email down below in the description box, and I'll have it on the first pinned comment as well. Contact me through that email, let's see, by the 24th of January. Contact me by then and I will get your winnings out to you. So congratulations to you, and I hope to hear from you soon, because I don't want to have to do another redraw. And if you, just in case you're curious of what I'm up to, I'm up to something. I'm going to give you a quick flash. I'm working on something new, but I'm going to give you a quick flash. Wait a minute, maybe not that page. Maybe this page. I'm going to give you a quick flash of what's going on, and I'm pretty excited about it. That's all you get. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.